issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Smith County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Rusk County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Upshur County in northeastern Texas, Gregg County in northeastern Texas, north central Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hawkins to Mixon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Longview, Henderson, Kilgore, White House, White Oak, Gladewater, Overton, Troop, Big Sandy, New London, Art, Clarksville City, Liberty City, Joinerville, Mixon, Turnertown, Lakeport, New Chapel Hill, Winona, and Warren City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Cherokee, Gregg, Harrison, Rusk, Smith, Upshur, and Wood.